Greetings my people, welcome to another Jamaican Insider video. In this video we're making deep fried Jamaican chicken. This is a real deal, much better than KFC. Fret not, this is not too much oil, okay? This is deep fried chicken. Also, earlier in the video I had said that we're making deep fried chicken. We'll also be making a nice 100% natural juice, so stay tuned for that. Put that in the pepper?
Yeah. Hey, you make it steam, soak the chicken. Start, take it at the start.
You know, smoky again.
Eh?
You know, so smoky again.
Where's she there, home?
Who that?
Your
mother?
No. Your girlfriend, your girlfriend and your...
No, man.
Yeah?
Yeah? I don't know, man.
You don't know about? Stop talking about that.
You text my
You be there for anyone already? What did I pack here? Oh, you want to catch everything? So when you have white, then you can't tell you nothing.
You blend the skin in there?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's good for you. Some people peel it, but if we even peel it, we always like if you make juice same way, so we just make one thing and done.
Okay.
You're lucky.
And there we have it, our finished drink of pineapple, mango, and soursop. If you want to learn more about Jamaican cooking, click the link in the top right hand corner. And please subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell as well. That way you will be notified of when we upload a new video. That's the bell right here. And also, please leave us a like, comment, and share. Thank you.